You ever struggle with those straight shots? I know I do. I'm going to show you how to set these lines up, make sure that they're straight every time, and then you can practice and practice and practice. Good luck.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is use painter's tape, just regular string, tape it in the center of the pocket and go straight across. Do the same thing with the other pocket. Go to the long side, tape that one in the center, make sure you're cutting these off. And then I'm going to go to the top diamond in the center and draw straight down to the bottom. And then I'm going to get a marker. And that's where we're going to put our little dots. I would do the center diamond on the side rails. I already have pre-dots made. And here's a top view. You can see how straight that looks, pocket to pocket. So on these shots in the first position, I would just use under a lagging speed, so maybe a 4 if when you lag is a 5. Okay, our first shot, we're going to use a tip below center, stop shot. Next we're going to use about 2 tips above center. We're going to try to follow. You're going to make mistakes as you see, but keep trying and then you're going to hit it. Make it follow through. Now we're going to draw at least 2 tips below center. As you see, I put my cue stick down to try to get that cue ball to run a straight line. Try it again. I would say I'm probably using about a 6 on my lag speed to get that draw back there. Here we go. That felt much better. Okay, now we're going to move the balls back a little bit, give some distance. I would use just a little bit above your lag speed, so probably a 6. Just kind of maintain. We're going to do the stop shot right here. Next we're going to go the tip and a half, maybe 2 tips to follow that out. Run shoulder again, but that's okay. That's what these practices are for. So maybe a little bit more. That's probably about a 7 speed if lag is a 5. And then I would say that's still about a 6 on the lag speed for the draw. Okay, now let's set some distance between the 2 balls on our 2 dots. Okay, so now we're gauging over our lag speed and we're probably hitting at about a 7. Make sure you're lining straight and hitting dead in the center of that pocket to get that cue ball to stop. And then with the follow, don't have to hit it as hard. You could probably just use, your lag speed at a 5. So last on this draw shot, I would probably consider it a level 8 on my lagging speed skill. Staying down on your shots are going to help you be more consistent. Well, thank you for watching, and check out my video for lagging speed so you can kind of get an understanding of what this was talking about. Take it easy.